Howdy partners, it's Southern Railway 5973 Productions here, and welcome back to another unboxing video. And as you all know, I went Black Friday shopping on Amazon, and we got more stuff, more trains, more everything. And before you ask, yes, I kind of opened the box because the camera kind of got out of storage from my phone, so I had to use my iPad. So anyways, let's open this up. It's already been opened, so let's just get them out. We got tracks. Well, you already know it's a Cadillac tracks. Alright, we got batteries. Yep, more batteries for the trains. And AAA. I got AAA. Yep, got AAAs. And we also got new trains out here. TOMY, Plarail, Spencer, and Rosie. Alright, let's just open these chains up. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna open these ones because this has all been my favorite. I was one in red. Alright, let's just get this. Got it. Guess it's use scissors time. Okay. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Cheer boy. Alright. Get this slider out of here. Sorry about that, Rose. Anyways, we got old Rosie right here. Alright, let's just get out of here. Alright. Here it goes. Yep. Wait. Hold on, let me just gotta give it a good Someone's got it. Pull out. Yeah. There. I did it. I got her out. Just move this out of the way. Yep. So here's Rosie. Yep, let me just take a good look at her. She's got a CGI face updated. That's really cool. And pretty too. You can change the details. And it's the same detail from the Trackmaster Rosie. Now, long backstory short, I had this Trackmaster Rosie before back in 2009, I think. Or is it 2008? I can't remember what it is, but I believe it's 2009. But still. I don't know where my old Trackmaster Rosie was, but I lost it somewhere. So that's the end of her. But this one, this is a new deal. I got this new deal. Red, pretty, and NWR style. Even got a golden headlight. Alright. Let me just move her out of the way. And let's open Spencer up. Let's open him up. Okay guys, I got Spencer opened up, but I got this part opened up, so let's just slam out of here. Ugh. Now, this is Spencer. They even got a special coach right here. So I just open it up. Come on, down. get price back off. Hold on a moment. There we go. Got the front door open up. Alright, let's go. Hold on a moment, let me get alright, got the open part out, so let's just get him out of there. Yep, there he is. Alright, let's just get up in here. There we go. Yep, there he is. There's Spencer. Yep. The TOMY Plarail / Trackmaster Spencer. Even though it's a TOMY Plarail version, I couldn't figure out what he looked like. But still, it was amazing. He even has a detail of his face. Yeah. Now, another long story short, on my childhood, I had this Trackmaster Spencer before, but it got damaged and battery circuits are pretty much fried. And I lost it somewhere along with its tender, so it's probably highly chance it's scrapped by now. Well, it was a few years ago, but anyways, here's TOMY Plarail Spencer. So let's get these engines stoked up right after I get these engines a little stoked up right now. Hang on a moment. Alright, sorry that took so long, partners, but anyways, I got Spencer and Rosie stoked up with the batteries, and now, before I get on the test run, let's open up the mystery package. And open up something I ordered. Oh, let's get that. Let's get this. I see something in there. Time to use old scissors again. Hold on, let me drop the camera. You know what? I'm just gonna set this by the ramp right here, if I can hold it up. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, got the mystery package open up, and it's Douglas. All right. Anyways, I got Douglas right here, so now we got Donald and Douglas. Donald's right back here, if you haven't noticed. If you haven't seen the video of him, I unboxed. Anyways, here's Douglas, so let's just open him up again. Alright. This is gonna be a difficult job. Hang on, this is get the daggum box open up. Let's get her done. Here we go. There we go. Alright, let's get this tie on. His tender's now exposed. And itself. Alright, I got him out, folks. I got him out. I got him. Here's Douglas. Yep. I know you're probably thinking I ordered a cheap, fake Chinese Trackmaster Douglas. But like I said, Trackmaster is just a Trackmaster. I mean, no matter the difference. So let's just put him in a battery and let's give him a test run after these two gets a test run. Alright, partners, I got Spencer and Rosie on the tracks, and they were getting ready to get a test run. Now, I know you're probably thinking, I put Rosie with some normal trucks instead of those red ones she used to pull. I think that in the episode, Rosie is red in season 22. Yeah. Instead of those red trucks that she'll be pulling, instead she'll be pulling those regular old trucks. And Spencer right here is going to pull the Duke and Duchess around the track. And I think that's all. So let's give them a test run. Ready, steady, go! Come on, Rosie. Let's get her done. Alright, let's got him out there, and let's got Rosie right here. Good job, guys. You did your test runs, so now you're good. Now it's time to move on to Douglas. Alright, partners, I put Spencer and Rosie on that side over there next to Gordon and the rest of the guys. Anyways, now it's time to move on to Douglas. So let's give Douglas a test run. Oh, and you haven't noticed, I also added Donald on the other track. So we're going to give the Scottish Twins a test run since I didn't do Donald's test run. So let's give Douglas's test run. So here we go. Let's get her done. Let's get her done, Donald. Whoops, Donald's derailed. Hold on, let me fix him up. Alright guys, I fixed Donald, so he's back on the tracks, and now he's moving along. And Douglas is getting along with the train very well. stop him right there. Alright, come here, Douglas. He's just going on the other way. I'll let him stop right here in the spot. Alright, Douglas, here you go. There you go, Douglas. You did your test run, same with your brother. And, yep. Well done, you both. Alright, partners. That's the end of the video unboxing of the 3 engines, such as Rosie and Spencer and Douglas. And I did bring Donald here, so I don't know why I brought him here. He wasn't really in a part of the unboxing video. It was just like a month ago. But anyways, thank you for watching the unboxing video. I hope you enjoy this one. This is Southern Railway 5973 Productions leaving the station. See you later, partners. Boa.
Hiya, Rosie.
Thomas!
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, so leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. So, thank you guys and have a good time.